If you're looking for the best makeup blender sponges, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Beakey Makeup Sponge Blender. Created to offer professional foundation applications, these teardrop-shaped sponges are made of non-latex material. It is a set of 5 beauty blender sponges in varied colors. Featuring tiny uniform pores, you can use them to apply all kinds of cosmetics. Durable and reusable, you can use these makeup blending sponges for dry and wet applications to get a flawless finish. Moving on to the next at number 2 with BeautyBlender Makeup Sponge. BeautyBlender's blending sponge is an ideal applicator for foundations, concealers, and highlighters. It has a large surface area for quick application and a contour tip for precision. This high-quality sponge is designed to absorb minimal product to maximize product application on your skin. It is cruelty-free and grows twice in size when wet. The number 3 position is held by Nogear Makeup Sponge Set. InnoGear makeup sponges are ideal for applying cosmetics such as foundation, concealer, powder, and liquid products. Available in multiple colors, the sponges have a water drop shape and a cut surface designed for optimum blending. They are made of pure sponge material, making them easy to use and clean. The soft and bouncy blender sponges expand when wet for convenient application. Next at number 4, we have Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge Makeup Blender. Designed for smooth and uniform application, these latex-free sponges offer an airbrush finish. It is a set of 6 sponges, comprising 2 complexion sponges, 3 mini eraser sponges, and 1 miracle sculpting sponge. They can be used dry for full coverage or damp to get a dewy glow. The number 5 position is held by Beakey Makeup Sponges with Kabuki Contour Brush. With 3 makeup beauty sponges and 1 contour brush, this cruelty-free set caters to all your makeup needs. Made from non-latex material, these super soft foundation sponges effectively blend all kinds of cosmetics. Available in gourd, oval, and flat end sponges, you can use these cosmetic sponges for dry and wet applications. The number 6 position is dominated by Juno and Company Microfiber Sponge. A set of 4 double-sided sponges, these are made of non-abrasive, ultra-soft microfiber material. The sponges have rounded sides to blend large areas and pointed sides to contour around the nose and eyes, suitable for applying blush, powders, liquid foundations, contouring, and concealers. These brilliant multitasking sponges can be used wet and dry. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Artist Choice Makeup Sponge Mini Applicator Wedges. The wedge-shaped makeup sponge helps to provide a precise and controlled application with its mini sponge crisp edges. It is water-absorbent and suitable for dry and wet applications. Made from soft and durable non-latex material, the disposable sponge helps fade, smoother, and blend. The number 8 position is held by Xing-Ruiyang Makeup Sponge. Featuring a pointed end, flat bottom, and a curved surface, this set contains 18 makeup foundation sponges. These soft and bouncy sponges are made of non-latex material in bright colors. The set includes 2 stands for holding the beauty blenders. You can use them with foundations, powders, concealers, and cosmetics for dry and wet applications. Next at number 9, we have Hygiene Beauty Makeup Sponge Blender Set. The soft finish makeup puff sponges by Hygea are environment-friendly and made of durable, bouncy, and elastic material. It is a set of 5 blending sponges that can blend various facial cosmetics. They are easy to use and clean and can be used dry or wet for the desired finish. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Kooba Round Makeup Sponges Supplement. Apply powders, creams, foundations, and other beauty products using these round soft sponges. It is a set of 4 soft and smooth beauty blender makeup sponges designed for efficient application and makeup removal. Made using Japan NBR material, they are durable and easy to wash and use. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.